In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Alibaba and change your currency settings with just a few simple steps. This is a quick guide aimed at making your online shopping or business transactions smoother and more tailored to your particular needs, especially when you're dealing with international suppliers. So let's dive in and learn how to customize your settings to best fit your location and currency preference. First things first, we need to access the Alibaba website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in www.alibaba.com in the address bar. Then press enter. This will take you directly to the home page of Alibaba, a popular platform for global e-commerce that connects buyers and suppliers from around the world. It's a go-to resource for sourcing products, discovering new suppliers, and managing multiple transactions. Once you're on the Alibaba homepage, take a good look at the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find some useful information, including your current language settings and the currency that's being used for all transactions on the site. This part of the page typically reads something like English, USD, but depending on your default settings, it may display a different language or currency. Now here's where we'll make some changes to suit your preferences. Simply click on this language and currency display. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options for both language and currency. Scroll through and select the currency that works best for your region or your current needs. This ensures that all product prices and fees are displayed in a currency you're familiar with, making budgeting and financial planning just that much easier. Once you've made your selections, any changes should be applied immediately across the website. The selected currency will automatically update for all products you view, helping reduce the hassle of mental conversions or potential errors when you're pricing goods. There's really nothing more to it than that. And just like that, you're done. Navigating Alibaba with your preferred settings is now more straightforward. Whether you're sourcing materials for a large-scale project or simply exploring potential suppliers, having everything displayed in your local currency can simplify the entire shopping experience. It only takes a minute or two, but it can save you a considerable amount of time and confusion in the long run. Remember, these small tweaks can make a big difference in how effectively you manage your international transactions. With everything now aligned with your local preferences, you can concentrate on what matters most, finding the best products at the best prices. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.